What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account here so you can actually give yourself holidays. For example, if you're tired of using Facebook for a while and you just need a break, or if it's distracting yourself on your daily activities, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your account so you can actually focus on what matters in your life for a specific duration or time until you feel safe again to hop back into your Facebook account. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks and tutorials. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now in today's video I'm going to show you two different ways in order for you to deactivate your Facebook account. The very first method here is from your device, of course, and then I'm going to show you how to do it on your laptop or computer. Now the process is pretty much similar. There's no much difference, but in case you are just using your computer or in case you're just using your phone, you can actually follow the tutorial according to your scenario. So in my case here, I am on my Facebook account. Okay, this is how your Facebook account looks like. First things first, open up the application, and then you want to tap here on your profile at the inferior left corner. Next up, once you are here, all you need to do is simply scroll down all the way to settings and privacy. Tap once on settings and privacy, and then down here you want to make sure you tap here on settings. Okay, so tap once on settings and you'll be brought to this page in here where you do have your privacy settings to be configured. Okay, so over here we'll tap here on the very first category where we do have Meta Accounts Center. So over here we can manage your connected experiences and account settings across Meta technologies. Simply tap once on it and then you'll be able to see all your profiles actually linked to your Facebook account or logged into this device. Next up, what you need to do is simply scroll down all the way to personal details in here. Now this is an updated version in 2025. Previously, this used to be down here in the passwords and security, but right now it's under personal details. So all you need to do is tap once on personal details, and next up you'll be brought to this page where you do have your contact info, your birthday, and your personal information. Next up, we'll tap once here on account ownership and control right at the bottom down here. Tap once on account ownership and control and you'll be brought to this window where you do have two options. One is memorialization and the other one is deactivation or deletion. To be more precise, you do have three options in here. So the very first one, of course, it's not related to today's video or today's topic, but I wanted to also share that you can actually turn on a specific setting that will automatically delete your account or deactivate your account in case you pass away or die. This is also something very important. You can set it up, for example, a specific setting that would say, hey, Facebook, I want you to deactivate automatically my account if I don't log in for the next 3 months or 6 months. That's probably because something might have happened with you. You can also extend it to 12 months, which is a year. Of course, it's not normal to a person to not log into a specific account in 365 days. If that happens, it's going to deactivate your account automatically. That's something you can also do if you wish to, but in our case, we'll tap here on a deactivation or deletion. Now, deactivate, of course, will temporarily deactivate the account, and deletion will permanently delete that specific account. Okay, so I would recommend you guys always to go through deactivation and not deletion, because after some time you might rethink twice and think about regaining access to your Facebook account. We do have a lot of pictures, videos, and a lot of memories on our Facebook, and deactivating would be actually something very efficient because you won't be available or you won't be exposed anymore to other people, but you will be having Facebook as a library to store your personal stuff where only you have access to that specific information. Next up, we need to select the account related here that we wish to actually deactivate. Simply tap on here, this is my Facebook account, and then we do have here two options, deactivate or delete. So in our scenario, since we're talking about temporarily deactivating, we'll be going with the first option in here, okay? So all you need to do if you tap it, as you can see in here, your account and profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from most things you've shared. You'll be able to continue using Messenger. Next up, simply tap here on continue, and then on the next page in here, it's going to show you a specific summarization of everything that you've got in here. How many friends you do have, how many contacts, how many chats, okay, and when your page was actually created. Down here, you do have the number of posts you've done, stories and photos you do have, and all that. Next up, you just need to tap on continue once, and then for security purposes, it's going to ask you to re-enter your password in order for you to continue in here. It wants to ensure that it's really you actually deactivating your account and that you have not been hacked. Okay, so simply insert your password and tap on continue, and this will deactivate temporarily your account until you feel safe to reactivate your account. Now I'm going to show you how to do the same process on your laptop device. You might be in a situation where you only have your laptop, or you may have only your iPhone or your Android device. If you only have your mobile device, this is the process. But in case you do have your laptop device only available to perform these steps of deactivating your Facebook account, simply follow the process from here onwards on your laptop device, regardless of the operating system that you've got. For example, if you do have a MacBook device like mine, or if you do have a Windows device, the process is exactly the same. All you need to do is simply open up your internet browser. This can be Safari, Google Chrome, which is in my case here Google Chrome, or Internet Explorer or anything like that, and head straight into facebook.com and make sure that you're logged in into your Facebook account. So once you're logged in into your Facebook account, the next step in here is to go straight to the top right corner of your screen and simply tap here on this image where you do have your profile picture. So what you're going to do next is tap on settings and privacy, and then you want to tap here on settings real quick. So once you're here on settings, the next step of course is to tap here on Meta Accounts Center at the left side of your screen. This is the section that we've tapped on our device. It's pretty similar. Tap once on Accounts Center, and next up you'll be brought to this page where you do have all the profiles here linked to your specific Facebook account. Here, you may have, for example, your Facebook account, a specific business page, or anything like that, or your Instagram account, or anything related to your Meta account. So you want to make sure you check which account you really want to deactivate. Next up, you're going to tap here on personal details at the left section. And then over here, we're going to tap on account ownership and control here at the bottom under personal details. Okay, so you want to double check all details in here if they really match, if we're talking about your specific Facebook account, and then simply tap on account ownership and control, and you'll be brought to this page where it's going to ask you whether you want your account to be deactivated or deleted, or if you want to actually decide what happens to your account whenever you pass away or die. So we'll tap here on deactivation or deletion, and next up we're going to tap here or select the account which is actually related to our Facebook account or the one that we really wish to deactivate. Let me quickly tap on this one here at the top, and then it's going to ask me whether I want to deactivate or delete my account. Since we're talking about deactivation in today's video, you want to temporarily deactivate it. We're going to select the very first option in here, which is already selected by default by Facebook themselves, because they believe in temporarily deactivation instead of permanently deletion, because you might change your mind throughout the process. Okay, as time keeps on passing, you might change your mind and you simply might want to reactivate or regain access to those specific posts, pictures, and images that you had on your Facebook account. Next up, simply tap here on continue, and then you'll be brought to this page where you do have the summarization of everything that has happened on your account. So you want to scroll down, check all the details, and then simply tap on continue to deactivate your account. It's going to ask you to insert your password once, because it wants to ensure that your account has not been hacked and that you're in fact the correct person with the authority to actually deactivate your Facebook account. So once you're done inserting the password once, simply tap on continue and your Facebook account will be deactivated immediately and you're good to go. This is how easy you can actually deactivate a Facebook account in here for a specific duration of time, and whenever you feel safe, you can actually reactivate your account and be active again on Facebook on a regular basis. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know in the comment section down below if you do have any questions or doubts. Thank you so much for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.